Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a fried egg recipe. First, gather your ingredients: 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Using a non-stick pan, approximately 8 inches in diameter, will ensure your egg cooks perfectly without sticking. It's also helpful to have all your ingredients at room temperature. This promotes even cooking and a better texture for your delicious fried egg. Now let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Turn the heat to medium-low. You want the butter to melt completely and start to bubble gently, but not brown. This indicates the pan is at the ideal temperature. Once the butter is ready, carefully crack 1 egg directly into the center of the pan. Be gentle to keep the yolk intact. Let the egg cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see the whites begin to set and turn opaque around the edges. For a slightly firmer yolk, gently spoon some of the hot butter from the pan over the yolk for about 1 minute. This helps to cook the top without flipping. You can adjust this time based on whether you prefer a runny, jammy, or firm yolk. Once your egg reaches your desired doneness, carefully slide it from the pan directly onto your plate. Now, it's time to season. A sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper will enhance the flavors beautifully. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly fried egg, whether it's on toast, with avocado, or as part of a larger breakfast. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.